I Spy Numbers, rhymes by Jean Marzolo, photographs by Walter Wick. Read to you by Miss Esther from the EASD Parent Connections. I spy a hot dog in a bun, a teddy bear, and a big red one. Do you see the hot dog, the teddy bear, or the big red one? You do. Kiss that brain. I spy a great big yellow two, a pair of scissors, and a button that's blue. Do you see the yellow two, the scissors, or the blue button? You do. Kiss that brain. I spy a bright green number 3. How many piggy wiggies can you see? Can you find the bright green 3 or the 3 little pigs? You can. Kiss that brain. I spy a 4 and a yellow van, a spotted frog, and a raincoat man. Do you see a 4, a van, a frog, and a raincoat man? You do. Kiss that brain. I spy a 5, a little airplane, a soccer ball, and a choo-choo train. Do you see the 5, the plane, the soccer ball, and the train? You do. Kiss that brain. I spy a 6, a small guitar too, a beetle, and a bow on a yellow shoe. Do you see the number 6, a guitar, a beetle, and a bow on a shoe? You do. You know what to do. Kiss that brain. I spy a 7, 2 dominoes with dots, a yellow flower, and a cow with spots. Do you see the number 7, 2 dominoes, a yellow flower, and a cow with spots? You do. Kiss that brain. I spy a spider, a red race car, a big blue 8, and an 8-pointed star. Do you see the spider, the race car, the number 8, or the star? You do. Kiss that brain. I spy a ball, a 9 that's red, and a baseball player with a cap on his head. Do you see the ball, the number 9, or the baseball player? You do. Kiss that brain. When you are done, go back and look. An egg, a horn, a fork. What else can you find in your I Spy book? Peas in a pod, tomato top, paints, fish, octopus, spaghetti wheel, crown, broom, bicycle, dinosaur, sunglasses. When you are done, go back and look. Can you find these numbers in your I Spy book? You did. Kiss that brain. Thank you for joining Miss Esther today for story time. For more information, visit the EASD Parent Connection webpage for more fun stories and links. Have a great day, and don't forget, kiss that brain.